Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jamie and today I'm coming on to show you a Happy Mail package that I'm sending out. We agreed to send 5 handmade items and as always I had to include a few extra goodies. So the first thing that I'm sending is this box here. This box was made with my Cricut and using my Basher Stash kit, and then inside of it is some bought goodies. So there's this cute little lemon, they're like sticky notes. Then also sending some tassels and some beads in a little baggie. So the box is going to be a handmade item. Then the next handmade item that I'm sending is wrapped up in this. This is the jukebox vending machine that I made, and it's just a decor piece, so I wrapped it up in some tissue paper and put a little bit extra shred in there. Then next I'm sending another one of these little cotton candy boxes. So they open up like this and then you just pull it out, and there's some cute little cotton candy embellishments. So I've used these as just embellishments for lots of different collections. I think they're super cute, so that's gonna go up there. Then so that's 1, 2, 3, and then this is another one that I'm sending as well. These are some little, what are these called? Hot air balloon embellishments. These are available on my Etsy store if you want to go check them out. The link's always in the description. So I just decorated them up with some words and some bows. I'm actually going to open it up and put a little bit of a sequins mix in there because I'm not doing any bag toppers because I'm just not into bag toppers at the moment. I don't know why. They're not exciting me. What I'm doing is I'm just adding sequins in there, and I think it just has a really cute detailed effect. So that's going to sit on top there. And then next I have this really large bag, and what I've done is I've just velcroed it closed because it does stay closed. And inside of it is, one of them fell off. And the next handmade thing that I'm sending is some different shakers. These look very a garden party-esque, which is beautiful. It's what I was going for. So these are available in my Etsy store as well. You can get these cute little it's like just a butterfly shaker, and I just decorated it up, and then a teacup one, and then a star one, and I just wanted to package them up basically really simply in this bag. It's just made with some paper, and I just stitched it together around the side. I think I'll need to so I just slipped it underneath, and then I'm also sending a bought goodie, which another one, I think it's a bought goodie. I don't actually remember what's in here, but I'm gonna say it's a bought goodie. And there we go, that is what I'm sending. So the next thing I need to do is get my shred. So I've just got some leftover shred from a previous swap, and I'm just going to place it on top like so, and I've got a few little shaky bits, and then I also have this fun confetti that I bought from the reject store. They're like holographic and star circles, so I don't want to use all of them. I just want to use a little bit, just a handful, and I'll sprinkle those around. Then I also had someone sent this to me and I thought it was so cute. They used like pom-poms as you know, as confetti. So I'm just going to sprinkle some red and pink ones in. This isn't Valentine's Day at all. I just thought pink and red look cute together. I've always really liked that color combination. And then lastly, Just going to put a little handmade card in there as well. I do have a tutorial on how I made these, so I'll pop it in the description. It's just a card and I'll just write in the middle. Okay, so I've written that there, and then I'm going to tuck this over. I just find that this gives it a little bit of extra protection and nothing kind of moves. Okay, and there it is. I will post a video of what my pen pal sends back to me, so stay tuned to see that. It should be coming out only a couple of days after this video comes out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.